G'day folks, Jim Langlands here from FX Charts with the currency outlook for the Finances Network for Thursday the 25th of October. Markets were given an initial boost yesterday in Asia following the better than expected Chinese PMI data. But this was reversed once Europe got in, and we saw some pretty disappointing economic numbers coming out of Europe. Both the German IFO and all the EU PMIs were weaker, and consequently the euro was pretty quickly sold off towards 129. But it consolidated ahead of the FOMC meeting, which eventually left rates unchanged. The other currencies, they were mixed. The Aussie and the Kiwi, they both had a good session. The Aussie, obviously, after the stronger CPI reading yesterday, and obviously on the back of the Chinese data as well. This morning the RBNZ has left rates unchanged. That's seen the Kiwi spike up to above 82. It's currently at about 82.05. Sterling was strong. It appeared that David Cameron, the Prime Minister, gave a hint towards tomorrow's GDP number, which he alluded to the fact that it could be better than expected, and that saw sterling break up above 160. So we've got the euro today. It's currently at 129.70. That's pretty much unchanged on yesterday. Dollar yen, likewise, that's done very little. It's traded at 79.70 to 79.90 range over the session. It's currently in the middle of that 79.80. Sterling, as I say, is strong. That's at 160.40, and dollar Swiss is at 93.25. The Aussie, that made new highs after the FOMC, left rates unchanged, got up to 103.65. It's currently a bit below that at the moment, 103.5. And the Kiwi, as I say, is on its highs. It's around 82.08. Today sees secondary data. There's the Chinese leading economic index and durable goods out of the States later on. But it looks as though it could be a fairly directionless, choppy session again. So I don't think I'll be looking for too much in either direction. That's really about all there is today. If you do want a more comprehensive outlook on the market, though, go to the website as usual, www.fxcharts.com.au. And that aside, please just remember that any outlook mentioned here, personal view only, and not meant to be used as trading advice. So that's all for today. Have a very good one, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. Cheers.